Okay, so today was actually quick and well, it is a red day, but anyway, the thing is, I engaged initially earlier on Nasdaq. I was checking the extended trading hours, and this same bar that opened here, I noticed that it was touching this daily area that I had from this level here, and it will retrace down. So I actually sold the low. I had some profit there. It traded lower, but when it broke the low, it came back up. So then I got stopped out around break even there. Then also in gold, I actually bought a couple of times and I got stop and break even. Then I got some small losses on Nasdaq as well. Gold actually here, I was this bar, it was not kind of reacting to the upside when I was long. So I decided to short to see if it was to tank and maybe fill somewhat the gap and make it slow here, but it wouldn't. So I just let it be there. I guess the time break even, I can't remember last time. But the thing is on Nasdaq, actually here, first of all, this third bar, it was an inside bar. So this fourth bar, when it traded lower and then it came back higher and it broke its own high, I actually enter along here. And it would trade higher nearby this high. It didn't take it, then it came back and stopped in break even. But then again, I executed a buy again because price was holding above this. And then yeah, same thing. It went higher. It touched this quadrant here, and in the next bar just literally just took the high and came back down and stopped me out, reduced risks like about minus 40 or something. So then after that, that's actually when I got tagged out of my daily. Actually, you can see here that I got, due to the rules, I have now 8 hours that I actually cannot trade. And if honest, it felt a little bit weird because it's quite early in the session, and also I wanted to continue. I felt like I wanted to continue trading, but I also know that this is actually a good measure. So the point is here I have where is it? Sorry, it's here. Yeah. So I actually have here this daily loss as 400, and also I have the trade limits, and it's 10 trades or 50 trades a week, and I cannot change this. Seems like it. So that's actually a good thing. The point is, um, these felt weird, definitely, but then I know that is also a good thing. Why? Because of this. Like, this is a normal red day, which is okay. I know that I wasn't selective enough. I wasn't good enough at the beginning of the day. I felt somewhat like in a rush. So yeah, I stacked a couple of trades. Of course, it's also counting even the break-even trade. So regardless of what the status is at at the end of those 10 trades, this is gonna basically lock down or lock me out of my trading. So point is, positive part is, well, it is a red day, but then also it is actually a quite small red day, and it's actually, well, it feels like it's a good rule. So and also keeps me safer from my limbic behavior basically. So I think it's a good thing, but more than anything, also, if I am to be done like today earlier from the session, it frees me a lot from my being, more with my child, and like for example this week that she's with me. So I think it's a good thing, regardless of the red day today. So I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna definitely just come and see later so I can learn something maybe and see what I could have done better. One thing that I missed initially, that's why I shorted on Nasdaq, was something that I think it happened also the last week. What was it? So when I was here trading, I thought that, yeah, I might trade down low from here, but then it didn't. Then when I went to regular trading hours, I noticed the same thing that happens last week. Price closed here. The gap was down about 1.3%. And the thing is, the price gap down and open below these days here. It was basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, 6 days lows taken in one open. So there is likely to be a lot of liquidity here in these levels here. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense that first of all, seeing this push, it was a push above, I think, around 200 points from the open to the high. Yeah, 260. So I should have, well, of course, it's easy to say now, but I have been thinking about this a lot. So it's a good idea to pay attention to price, especially when it's gapping up or down above daily highs or lows. So, for example, if it was to open around here, I could easily see a push to the downside. But of course, I first have to wait for price action to tell me that it's actually happening. But regardless of that, anyway, I'm gonna let it be for today. This is it for me. I'm gonna come later to, like I said, catch and see if I could have learned something and do something better. And that's it. Let's see tomorrow again.